good morning and welcome back to the Road to Adventure. In this video we take you with us and we drive the Cabot Trail. Go along rocky roads and everything, and we like to make some drone movies, but it was too risky, it was too windy, so we didn't do that.
And in the last video we ended in Digby. So from Digby we drove to Truro, and in this video we drive from Truro to Cape Breton, where the Cabot Trail starts. But 20 minutes before we were at the campground, it was raining. In like 1 second we were really soaked, so we had to dry our clothes and we had to warm up when we came on the campground. And there's another problem. At the end of the Cabot Trail, Eric heard strange noises from his motorcycle.
Wow, and the motor was tottering, hopping a little bit.
Something broke down, and in this video we will fix it, or we hope to fix it.
Yes, right.
So please look at this video. If you like, click on the like button and on the subscribe button, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
Digby, Small Roads, Bridgetown, Greenwood, Kenville, all the way, small road up here to Truro and the Ganesh, Port Hawkesbury, beautiful roads here, to Badek. We camped up there, and the other day we take the Cabot Trail. One way, beautiful way, along the coast. Oh, was that nice. It was really good to drive there, all the way up, back to Badek.
So we took a cabin because it was raining. Now, very beautiful weather. This is the best dishwashing station we have seen. And you can cook here. You can clean the laundry. If you want to dance, you can take the stage. What a great campground this is. This is the campers lounge. You can sit here. And here's a game room with a pool table. Yeah, baby! We're riding the Cabot Trail now.
Yes.
So it's a round tour around Cape Breton, and it's with beautiful views on the ocean and, well, trees, lots of trees, but it's very beautiful. But we're driving up to Cape North now, and maybe we can see whales there.
Maybe, but I think we see some guppies. We were here at Wreck Cove General Store. As you can see, Sea was here, but you know what? Well, whatever. They were here, but we were also here. So we put him right here. That too.
I am.
Thank you for your service. Is that right?
Thank you, Army.
Okay. My sister and brother-in-law are in the army too.
So how long you guys been in the States?
We go to Alaska. We start here and we here till October 3rd. Then we have to go home.
Okay. So you've already been to Alaska? Or you're on your way?
No. Here?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
So?
Yeah. Okay. So you haven't been to Alaska already?
No, we're going to.
Headed that way.
So we're now like 12 days on the road. First doing Nova Scotia.
Until October?
Yeah.
Wow.
Then I have to go back to work, eh? Nadia was driving behind me and she got a fly or something in her eye. I don't know exactly what it was, so she wanted to stop. And after the curve, you make a stop, and I was looking in my mirror. Nadia's Kawasaki down, and I didn't see it, so I was really shocked about that. Put my Kawasaki on the stand, run to her, she was okay. It was in mud sand or something like that.
It was so slow, I think I already stood still. And then it was so sandy that the bike, well, slipped away. But then something else also happened. He has another allergic reaction.
So we don't know if it was or it is a mosquito. It was some kind of insect.
I think it is.
Biting somewhere.
Here's a bite, and now this whole part is thick. But you can see everything.
I don't know, can you see it? The camera, I don't know, I can see it myself because I don't have my glasses right now. Up here.
Yeah, it looks different than it normally does. But we got some medicine, so we hope it'll be fixed. We drive to Cape Breton. It's a very easy, quiet road.
It is. As long as Nadia is sitting on a bike and not next to a bike.
Yeah. So, we're riding the Cabot Trail now. But what do you think about it until now, of the Cabot Trail?
It's really beautiful, it's amazing, it's really, really beautiful, especially for motorcycles because it's very twisty, that's what I like to see.
And the lookouts on the side are very beautiful.
Beautiful.
You can see it here, but we also filmed it, of course. It looks a bit like Norway. We're very high now. It's beautiful here.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
So, this point is close to Ingonish.
That's what it is.
And there are all plates here that there should be well, whales and
turtles. You got the leatherback turtle. We didn't see him because, well, we don't have binoculars, but it's very rocky. It's beautiful nature here, and I believe there normally, when I'm not here, there will be whales there.
And what do you think of the Cabot Trail now?
Beautiful, just beautiful. Twisty, everything. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Yeah. In Barek, engine problems with the Kawasaki from Eric, so we have to go back to Jamie. So we drove the same route. It was about 400 kilometers in one day, and here we take a shortcut. We missed the ferry, not a problem. We go further and further, and we take the Confederation Bridge. Beautiful again, all the way back to Jamie and Jolene, our starting point. They fixed the Kawasaki.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday we drove the Cabot Trail.
We did.
And it was really beautiful.
It was amazing.
Amazing. It was really beautiful. But
unreal.
We also got really cold. It's at the seaside and the wind was hard. So
there was one polar bear say hi Eric, so you know how cold it is.
It
right?
was cold.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So we decided to go back to the campground
to
where we were last night, the night before. It was here in this cabin.
Our beautiful house.
And Eric noticed something on his motorbike.
I got some problems when I put the bike in gear 2, gear 3. It's not smooth running fine. It just go a little bit. We were thinking maybe it's the fuel, so we buy at a gas station some injection cleaner, fuel STP put it in the tank and we just drove. I think it goes a little bit smoother, but I'm not sure about that. And then we go the hills again and the problem was still there. We called our MTP, Man ter plaatse.
We called Jamie.
Yes, the one who buy the bikes and make them ready. And he said, no, maybe you can come back and then we can take a look at the spark plugs.
Today we're gonna drive 400 kilometers to Prince Edward Island on the road.
Back on the track.
The road to adventure.
The road to adventure. That's the road to adventure. That's what we're gonna do. Cheers. Well, the first part go very smooth. Yeah.
100 kilometers.
100 kilometers, so it's not bad. With Robins, it's not Tim's, I know. Amazing what these people do for us. It's unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. Jamie is hard working on the
Jamie is
bike.
doing the work and he knows exactly what he's doing, but
Yeah, you keep thinking that.
It probably is the spark plugs, or we got the problem that we are loading too much, that we take too much power of the bike when the bike needs the power herself. Because we got all the camera equipment, phones, and to charge that, we take a lot of power.
So you may think, what's all the smoke? But this will protect us from the flies and the mosquitoes. We didn't know it exists, but it works.
Thank you.
So this is one of the old ones?
Ja, maar hij ziet er goed uit. This side looks pretty good, right? This is rusty.
Yeah.
I think these are the original ones.
I consider the original one.
And the new ones look like
The same.
yeah, this.
The same. You got the same brand.
Well, that's a lot better, right?
NGK, yeah, it's the same. How are you?
Yesterday you saw that we had a problem with the most likely the spark plugs, so we went back to the house of Jamie and Jolene, and all night Jamie has worked on first Eric's bike and he got it working better again, so it were the spark plugs.
It were the spark plugs. As far as I can know now, we got enough power, the engine makes enough power. Now if not, we see later on the problems, but I think we are good for now.
Yeah. And then he also started it to do it with my bikes, but the spark plugs in this bike were brand
Already new.
So that's fixed. We stayed at their house. It was so lovely to meet them again, and they have helped us so much. It's incredible.
These people are really unreal. What hospitality. It was really nice. Oh, they gave us a good feeling, and I'm looking forward to the end of this trip in 4 months to see them back. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you like it. Well, we do make it, of course, and we make it for us, but also for you. The next video, we will take you with us to the province New Brunswick. We got some hills there, a beautiful adventure there, and we hope you will like it.
Now, we rode Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia, and we're going up to the rest of Canada now. So, if you like it, please click on that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you
Thumbs up.
in the next video on The Road to Adventure.